Define packing fraction of nucleus and show the variation of packing fraction with mass number. So what is packing fraction? Packing fraction is the mass defect per nucleon. Mass defect means the difference between the observed mass or experimental mass minus the calculated mass is called your mass defect. Calculated mass means mass of neutrons and protons or mass of the nucleons. If you calculate the mass of the nucleons, then that will be the calculated mass, and observed mass means what you observed from the experiment. And the difference in mass is called your mass defect, and mass defect per nucleon is called your packing fraction, and mass defect is generally denoted by delta m, and nucleon, that is the number of protons and neutrons, the mass number, it is generally denoted by A. So packing fraction P is equal to delta m divided by A. Then how the packing fraction varies with mass number? So you have to consider three things of packing fraction. One is positive, next one is your negative, and for mass number less than 20, if A is less than 20, then packing fraction will be positive. And what will be the nuclear stability? Nuclear stability is less stable. Nucleus is less stable, and the nucleus undergoes fusion reaction. So you have to remember it. If the mass number is less than 20, packing fraction is positive, the stability of nucleus is less, or nuclear stability is less, and the nucleus undergoes fusion reaction. If the mass number A lies between 20 and 180, you have to remember it. If the mass number lies between 20 and 180, the packing fraction P is negative, and the nuclear stability, what will be about nuclear stability? The nucleus is most stable. That means for mass number 20 to 180, the your nucleus is most stable, and in this case there is no nuclear reaction because the nucleus is more stable or most stable. There is no nuclear reaction for the mass number in between 20 and 180. But if the mass number is greater than 180, then the packing fraction is positive, and the nuclear stability, there is no nuclear stability, or the nuclear stability is unstable. The nucleus is unstable and it undergoes nuclear fission. So to occur nuclear fission, you have to remember the mass number must be greater than 180. That means for higher mass number, elements having higher mass number, you will have nuclear fission. So this is a brief idea about the variation of packing fraction with mass number.